the other athletes, they can really do amazing things with their bodies, right? You ever seen dancers doing isolation? It's kind of it's quite cool, right? Here. So the joint is here. The leg is gonna be about here, right? So I draw a leg of the side that seems appropriate, right, for this axial, for the proportion of this axial skeleton, right? And now I measure, right? 1, 2, should be 2, right? It could be a little bit longer, right? Make it a little bit longer. The ankle should be here, but now I can flex the foot, right? And put the heel here, and the foot, have the foot flexed, right? Like that, on the side. So from here, the center line is going to be here, but as I move down toward this part here, the center line will move closer and closer to the margin until I lose it, right? So now, here where we have now this much space between the breast and the costal arch, and maybe the pectoralis, like this. We can start hinting at the pectoralis, we can start hinting at clavicle, we can start hinting the various parts. But I would say overall, we can leave it like this. We can leave it like this.